Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Shah Jahan, and you are watching our YouTube channel. So today I am here with new topic: how to take trade accurate from the sell side. So if someone here beginner and they don't understand the how to take trade from the sell side, and they are waiting here after BOS, they are waiting for the reach price on the sales area, and then they take trade for the sell side, but market don't take the extreme bearish order block, and market give us a new low. So again we are waiting here. This is extreme order block, but market, you can see here, market again rejection here and creates new low. So again you can see the extreme order block is here placed, but market did not take the extreme order block, and market gave us a new low again. So after this, you can see just one area, this is reach on the extreme order block, then creates new low. So what the reason behind and how we can catch that all move from the sell side? So I will tell you just in easy way. You have to mark just previous highs stop from the buy side for the sell side trades. Understand? So here we are selecting this. So this is our first high is placed here because this is breaker block in this range. So this is first area, and this is our, you can see lower high is here, swing high. You have to just mark the swing high area. This is placed here. The third is swing high area placed here. The last is swing high area placed is here. And last is our in this leg. This is our breaker block. So mark this. Okay. Now we have to find just one thing. Always trader waiting for the tab in here, like SMC. This is extreme FEG, this is FEG, and this is order block, extreme order block, and they are waiting and place trigger entry, limit entry from here. So they are in waiting, but market creates new low and give impulsing move towards downside. So how can we understand this topic? So easy way, you have to just mark the swing high stop for the sell side trade. As you can see here, here is our first area for the sell. When you see market did not reach on the this area and gets a rejection in this area, and market gave us a sell candle. So this is your trigger entry. You have to be alert for the sell trade. So this is your entry, and SL should be just above your bearish order block, and your TP should be your second swing high from this area. You can see the swing high is placed here. So this is your first entry. You can see the risk reward 0.23 is your SL and 0.57 is your TP. So this is almost 1:2, and this is very good risk reward in the gold. So if you have courage, so you can trail your TP in the profits till the last swing low. So you can see the profit 1 to 1.16, and your TP just 0.23. So in this case again you can see the our last swing high placed here. When you see market did not take the extreme and getting rejection in this area and give you a red candle, this is again your short entry towards demand. You can target your second higher low which is placed buy side, but you have to target your nearest TP. Okay, so you can see the risk reward 0.27 and 0.84. This is almost 1 is to 3 risk reward. This is very best risk reward if you are follow this rule. So again creating new low, you can see the market unable to reach the tab on the extreme and market get rejection again in this area and give you a red candle. So this is again your sell setup towards demand, and SL should be just above your bearish order block. So you can see the risk reward. The risk is just 0.23 and TP is 1.16. It means 1 is to 6, 1 is to 7 reward. So if you like our video, so like and share and subscribe our channel and press bell icon as you can get the notification of our new video. So we will meet again a new topic. So till then, Allah Hafiz.